Hi, my name is Amar. Now in this video I will discuss about unique ID in GetX. Okay, here let me show you here what I have done. In the main.dart file, as you can see, there is a main method. The main method is calling the runapp method, which is calling a widget named as myapp. This myapp is extending the stateless widget, and after that here I have created the instance of the myController class. Now what is the code of the myController that I will show you later on. Now in the build method, as usual, there is a get material app having the title as unique ID. In the home there is a scaffold widget. In the app bar I have written unique ID. In the body there is a center widget. As a child of the center widget I have taken a column widget, and as a children of the column widget I have taken get builder, which is of type myController. Now here I have used the ID attribute of the get builder, right? And in the ID attribute I have specified the value as txt count. You can specify any name as per your requirement. Okay. Now in the builder, which is taking controller, and this controller is nothing but of type myController, and here I have used the text widget, and here I have written the value is controller.count. Now count is nothing but the property which has been defined in the myController having the value as 0. This means it should display the value as the value is 0, right? And after that again I have taken a get builder, which is of type myController. In the builder again there is a controller, and in the text widget again I am displaying the value of count. The only difference is that here I have used the ID property, but here I have not used the ID property. Okay. Now there is a sized box, and after that there is a raised button. In the raised button, in the on pressed, what I am doing, I am calling the increment method which has been defined in the myController. Okay. Now let me move to myController. Now in the myController, as you can see, there is a count variable having the value as 0. In the increment method I am incrementing the value of count by 1, and here I am calling the update method, but while calling the update method here I am passing an ID. This update method is taking an array, and in the array I am passing the ID as txt count. Now this txt count, as if you remember, this txt count is nothing but the ID which I have specified here. This means whenever I will click on this particular button, okay, it will only update that text widget which is under this get builder having the ID as txt count. Let me tell you one more time. Whenever I will click on this raised button, at that time it will increment only that text widget which is under the get builder having the ID as txt count. This means whenever I will click on the button, it will increment the value of this text widget only. The value of this text widget will not be incremented because it does not have the ID as txt count. Okay, let me show you the output. Now here you can see both the text widget as the value is 0, but once I click on increment, only for the first text widget the value is incremented, not for the second one. And that is the beauty of this ID attribute. Okay, this is the code for myController. Okay, and this is the code for main.dart. I hope you have liked my video. If you have liked my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.